The GoPro Max 2 might just be the 360-degree camera we've been waiting for. And yes, it finally looks like GoPro is breaking up with its longtime toxic relationship with overheating. Leaker extraordinaire Igor Bogdanov spilled the beans after digging into the patent, and the details are juicy. This thing has not one, but two heat sinks. And get this, they don't even touch each other. Why? Because GoPro's giving each sensor its own VIP cooling treatment. Imagine two sweaty marathon runners finally getting their own personal AC units. But the real genius? The camera mount itself is a heatsink. Yup, the very thing you clip to your helmet or selfie stick is secretly working overtime to keep your footage cool and crispy. It's like your camera's wearing an invisible superhero cape that says, "Not today, overheating." If this works as well as it sounds, it means longer shooting sessions without your GoPro suddenly tapping out like a lazy coworker on Friday afternoon. For action junkies, vloggers, and that one friend who insists on filming everything in 360 degrees, the Max 2 could be a game changer. A few days ago, we saw leaked GoPro Max 2 images and a teaser video. Now, let's break down the exciting details. Thanks to some exciting leaked images from Igor Bogdanov, we're getting a first look at a camera that could seriously shake up the world of 360 action filming. This isn't just a small update. GoPro is bringing powerful new features that have everyone buzzing with excitement. Here's the best part. GoPro officially teased replaceable lenses. If you scratch or crack your lens during a wild adventure, no problem. Just swap it out and keep shooting without missing a beat. That's stress-free filming right there. Plus, the Max 2 has visible cooling vents on the front, which means it can stay cool even during long shooting sessions. Smart move! It might just be your new best friend out there. Forget those weak selfie sticks that wobble and make your videos shaky. The Max 2's grip looks tough and comfortable, like it's been working out and is ready for anything. Maybe it's a supercharged invisible stick, or a handy tool with a built-in battery, or even a tripod all in one. Whatever it is, it's clearly built to handle all your adventures. One leaked photo shows the Max 2 spinning so fast that the background turns into a dizzy swirl. This isn't just a neat effect, it's GoPro showing off some serious tech power, hinting at better stabilization or high-speed 360 capture. Imagine flying down a mountain bike trail or zooming on a roller coaster, but your video stays smooth and clear like butter. No more shaky, headache-making clips, just pure cinematic magic. And here's another cool leak. Someone on a high ropes course, helmet on, harness tight, holding the Max 2 while wearing a GoPro on their helmet. This tells us two things. The Max 2 isn't meant to replace your main camera, it's the perfect sidekick. It's great for catching behind-the-scenes shots, wide views, or fresh angles you didn't even think of. Plus, that same textured grip shows up again. Looks like it's part of a new official accessory. Alright, let's get into the tech stuff. The original Max's 2025 update, honestly, kind of boring. Mostly just a shiny touch-up on the 2019 model. But the Max 2? Now that's a whole new level. The big star here is the centered lenses. Why is that important? Because it cleans up those annoying stitching lines in 360 videos, making the invisible selfie stick effect look smooth and flawless, like magic. And get ready for this. The resolution is jumping from 5.6K to a stunning 8K. Maybe even with higher frame rates, so your videos will look crisp and amazing. Especially after DJI's Osmo 360 impressed us with 8K at 30 frames per second for 100 minutes straight without overheating. If GoPro can match or beat that, it's a huge win for creators everywhere. And now, one leaked image shows the Max 2 getting blasted by a fire hose level water spray, probably from a Ford truck. Yeah, it's that intense. This isn't just a splash, it's a total soaking that screams waterproof out of the box. No bulky housing required. With rumored waterproofing of 10 meters or more, this camera laughs in the face of rain, rivers, or accidental cannonballs. Bring it on. So, what's the bottom line? The GoPro Max 2 isn't just an upgrade, it's a bold statement. For creators who crave crisp, stable, jaw-dropping 360 footage and gear tough enough to survive every wild adventure, this might just be the ultimate sidekick. The countdown to launch has begun. Get ready, because the Max 2 looks absolutely epic. So, there you have it. The GoPro Max 2 is shaping up to be a game changer for anyone who loves capturing life in action. With its rugged design, powerful new features, and smart upgrades, it looks ready to take your adventures and creativity to the next level. Keep your eyes peeled because the official launch is just around the corner, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming. Get ready to grab your Max 2 and start filming like a pro. Let's talk about a DJI killer. All right, buckle up, because this one's not your everyday leaked drone pic story. We're talking about something that looks part sci-fi, part cinematic dream machine, and part did someone really think of this in a coffee shop at 3 a.m.? Yes, the mysterious anti-gravity drone. A fresh brand, incubated by none other than Insta360, has just popped up in the wild, and the leaks are delicious. The first thing, we still don't even know its real name. That's right, it's flying under the codename Anti-Gravity for now, and honestly, that just makes it sound cooler. The images, leaked by the ever-reliable Igor Bogdanov, are giving us just enough to freak out, but not enough to calm down. DJI isn't just watching Insta360's anti-gravity dominate the headlines, they're stepping in to challenge it head-on. In the battle for 360-degree aerial supremacy, Insta360 lit the spark, but DJI is about to bring the storm, and the sky might never look the same again. The genius lens layout. Here's where things get really clever. The props and arms are positioned between two lenses, one on top and one on the bottom. Why? So that when you shoot in 360, those spinning blades of doom don't photobomb your masterpiece. Even if a tiny sliver of the prop guard does sneak into frame, it's placed right on the stitch line, the magic zone where 360 software blends the footage. Translation? It disappears faster than that one friend who just went to check the snacks during moving day. And because the drone is symmetrical on both sides, the stitching process is buttery smooth. No awkward shapes, no weird shadows. It's like the drone designed itself to be invisible in its own footage. Sneaky. Because nobody likes mid-flight fumbling. Another leaked image shows a bunch of batteries with green and yellow tabs. That's a big hint at a hot swappable or quick swap system. Imagine not having to wrestle with clips and latches while your perfect sunset shot is slipping away. Just pop one out, pop one in. Boom! You're back in the air before your coffee even cools. When you first glance at it, the prop guards grab your attention. And not in the, oh, that's just for safety kind of way. No, these seem to be pulling double duty. Based on the design, and yes, a bit of educated guesswork, this drone might actually have two modes of being. One, regular flight mode. Lightweight, zippy, the kind of flying that makes you grin like a kid on Christmas morning. 2, 360 mode. Designed for fully immersive footage. The kind of shots that make your friends ask, wait, were you inside that scene? It's like the drone equivalent of someone who can do both high-energy karaoke and play the piano flawlessly. Now, here's the curveball. Someone was spotted holding what looks a lot like DJI's motion controller while wearing FPV goggles. Normally, that screams FPV racer drone. But here's the thing. This drone doesn't look like a racer. It's too polished, too cinematic. Not that bare bones, I'll crash into a tree at 90 miles per hour vibe. Instead, it looks like a machine built for precision and grace. The kind of drone you use to paint with light in midair. And in 360 video, that smooth control is everything. That's the million-dollar question. Is this an FPV-style hybrid? A dedicated 360 cinematic drone? Or something completely different that Insta360 has been cooking up behind the scenes? One thing's certain, because if this thing flies as good as it looks, and hides itself in its own footage like some kind of aerial ninja, we're about to see some of the smoothest, most mind-bending drone videos the internet has ever witnessed. Now, if only they'd tell us the name. Because anti-gravity is cool, but my inner marketing brain is dying to know what's printed on the box.